Hello, in this video I'm going to show the best settings for gaming on the ZTE RedMagic 10R. Alright, so let's begin. This phone basically is created for the games. We can say we have a whole game menu, and the game center we can enable. To do it, we need to hold this button on the left side of the phone. Boom! As you can see now, it launched. We have the RedMagic logo, and now in here we can add our games that we have. In my case, I have the Asphalt. It is like the racing game, and as you click in here, we have our Asphalt, and we have adjust the operation things, so we can select the touch sampling rate, and we can also select the ultra rate, ultra high sampling rate. We can also adjust the sensitivity. I suggest you should also select those things. You should play for a while, and then simply select the things that you are interested in. But below, under the performance, we have three modes. We have Echo, Balance, and Rise. So for the best performance of your device, you should use the Rise mode. And we can also see the gigahertz on the CPU and also the megahertz on the GPU. So the Rise mode is the best for gaming, so you should enable it right in here. Maybe let me adjust the brightness a little bit. Okay, now it should be better. Now under the GPU settings, we have the standard, power saving, high quality, or the custom. So the standard option provides that image quality and power consumption balance. All adjustment will take effect after restart of the game. We also have the power saving, but for the gaming we should select the high quality. So the image quality will be better, but the power consumption will be a little bit more, so you need to have that in mind. Also, if you want, you can select it on custom and adjust anything, everything actually that you want. So you can change the multi-sample anti-aliasing, anisotropic filtering, texture filter quality, mip-map LOD, and auto VRS also. So it of course depends what you want from the game. Somebody wants better graphics, someone wants better performance, and here of course you can set it up for yourself. And next to each option you can click on the information button to see what this specific option does. So I'm gonna click on everything so you can read what every option does. Okay, so that when it comes to the GPU settings, I'll just, for example, I'll leave the high quality. Under the show, we can select the how the system will show the effects. We have the default one, we have the car mode. So it increases color saturation, it brings more colorful racing experience. We have also the shoot. It increases the contrast and brightness, it helps identify dark enemies. MOBA, it increases contrast and color saturation, highlight the enemy, and auto mode. Also, of course, you can select anything that you want, and it depends on which game you are playing, of course. For example, when you are playing PUBG, you should select the shoot mode. Now we will be playing the Asphalt game in a while, so we should select the car. Actually, I'm going to do it. And yeah, that's how you can change the show options. Below we have also the net settings. You can enable the Wi-Fi low latency and also mobile data low latency. So if you want, you can enable it right in here. Below we have the function allocation, I assume. Yep. But in here, I think we don't need to do anything. Yeah. We don't need to adjust anything more. Yeah, now let's get back and let's start our game. And also on our device, as you take a look, we have those two touchpads right in here, on the edges of the screen, right in here and right in here, and we can select the action for them when we are playing the game. So let's launch the game. Let's start a race. I'm gonna show you now. I need to select my car. Yeah, let's click on play. And we need to start the race. Okay. And now I'll need to swipe twice from the left side of the screen. Actually, let's stop the game. Now let's swipe twice from the left side, and here we have another game menu. Let me also adjust the brightness once more, because you might not see it. Also for the gaming, you should disable the automatic brightness. It's right in here, unselected. Now it's selected. Oh, actually the brightness is locked when we are using the game mode, so it's really cool. In here we can also select the mode that we are currently using, and there are a bunch of options that we can adjust. We have touch accurate, rotate lock. We can click on optimize on the left side. Boom, now the device is optimized. What else? We can select the null calls, we can select the RGB, but for the thing that I wanted to show you is, binding actions for those two touchpads. We need to click on right in here on that gamepad icon. In here, enable the shoulder triggers, and we have the left one and the right one right in here on the screen. And as you click, you can select the action that you want. So we have the single tap, long press, rapid fire. As you click in here, you can select the frequency. It can be high, normal, or low. We also have the motion sensing, dual operation, and next thing is the pressure and lift to trigger operation. And also it's disabled. But for now, let's select simply the single tap. Yeah. And also on the screen right now, as you take a look, we have the left shoulder trigger. We can change its position anywhere we want on the screen. And same thing with the right one. So simply select where you want it on the screen. Now we can exit it. It has been saved. Now let's get back into the race. Okay, let's click on play. And now, as I'm holding the both of those touchpads, you can see that on the screen the left one and the right one has appeared. So now, as I click on the right trigger, as you can see, it automatically recognizes the move or the pressure. So as I'm clicking normally on this part of the screen, I'm launching the nitro, but we have selected the part of the screen that will be clicked using the trigger button. So I can gently and comfortably hold the device, and now I can click on the trigger button, and as you can see, also the nitro is enabled. The same thing with the left trigger. We have selected this part of the screen that needs to be pressed, when we click on the trigger. So now as I'll click the left trigger, as you can see, I started drifting. And of course I can still do it with my fingers, but I will say that adjusting those options and selecting the actions for those triggers is really cool, and it's good for comfortability of your gameplay. So you can hold your device in a comfortable way. Your fingers aren't getting tired. You can simply use your pointing fingers to play this game, and of course you can adjust it for other games also. So as you can see, we have won the race, and just like I have said, this device is made for gaming. So I'll leave it to you if you suggest to buy it. Not if you suggest, if you choose to buy it, you need to be a gamer, and you need to love this stuff, because this it's stupid not to use all of those features that this phone provides us. So the gaming mode, it's really a game changer, and it's the best feature that this phone has. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.